Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this session we will see MCQs on geography subject. So this is the first session of the geography MCQs. Let us start our discussion on the MCQs. The first question is, which of the following planets is smaller in size than Earth? See, option given is Venus, Uranus, Saturn and Neptune. See friends, we know that sequence, that is order of sequence, so like the largest one is Jupiter. So then smallest than that one is Saturn. Next one is Uranus. Next one is Neptune. And fifth one is Earth. Sixth one is Venus. Seventh one is Mars. And the eighth one, that is smallest one, is Mercury. That means the first one is the largest one is Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars and Mercury. So this is the sequence of order from largest to smallest. So according to this, which is the smallest one? Smallest than Earth is Venus. Venus, Mars and Mercury, these three are smallest. In this Venus is there, so option A is correct. Okay. The second question is, the planet nearest to Sun is dash. Nearest to Sun. The planet nearest to Sun is Mercury. Because we know that order, if you see Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So Mercury is the nearest to the Sun. And the group of stars arranged in a definite pattern is called as. See friends, we have already discussed this. So that is stars arranged in a definite pattern. That is called constellation. We know that is constellation like Big Bear, that is called Saptarishii, and Cassiopeia. These are like, so Big Bear is to find out the pole star. Okay. And like that, and next question, if you see, asteroid belt is found between which of the following? The fourth question is, asteroid belt is found in between which of the following? See, we have already discussed in the previous class, that is Mars and Jupiter, which is between Mars and Jupiter is the asteroid belt. And there is one more belt we call like is a Kuiper belt, Kuiper, Kuiper belt. See, Kuiper belt, which is found in the outer space, that is after the Neptune. After the Neptune, so there in outer space, there is a Kuiper belt. The Kuiper belt mainly consists of icy objects. Okay. And next question, if you see, which one of the following is the largest satellite in the solar system? See friends, these are the different the satellites of different planets. Like Ganymede is the planet of Jupiter, Titan is a planet of Saturn, Europa is a planet of Jupiter, Titan is a planet of Neptune. So in this, which is the largest? Yes, largest means Ganymede. So Ganymede is the satellite, is the largest satellite among the satellites of all the planets. Okay. And see the next question, which planet takes longest time to go around the sun? Which planet takes longest time to go around the sun? Go around the sun means it's a revolution of the planet. You see, revolution of planet is longest for the planet which is farthest from the sun. So here the option, if you see, Earth, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. So Neptune is the farthest from the sun. So its rotation, that is, it takes the longest time to go around the sun. Okay. If you see the next question, the planet which is called twin sister of the Earth. So the planet which is called twin sister of Earth. So which planet is the twin sister of Earth? Simply is Venus, because Venus has its size, density and the chemical composition which is almost similar to the Earth. That is why Venus is called as a twin sister of the Earth. Okay, next question is the distance of moon from Earth. Distance of moon from Earth is, distance of moon from Earth, option given is 384,000 kilometers, 300,000 kilometers, 350 and 446,000 kilometers. See, answer is 384,000 kilometers. 384,000 kilometers. Okay, next question, if you see, which planet was named after Roman god Zeus? See here, the Zeus means is the father of gods and men. Zeus means father of gods and men. So this is god Zeus, which is the name given to Jupiter. Okay. So next question, if you see, the color of the star is an indication of its dash. The color of the star is an indication of dash. Its temperature. Simply to say temperature. See, this color is because of there is a this glowing is caused because of the black body radiation. So black body radiation. So which is by due to which that heat energy which is radiated from the surface, it will so glow. That glow is mainly depends on the temperature. So the color of the star is indication of simply set temperature. And next question, the largest planet in our solar system is dash. So earlier I have given the sequence. In this, largest planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet. So next question, if you see, so which of the following planets has the largest number of satellites or moons? So friends, largest, so which of the planet which has the largest number of, means ఏదైనా ఒక ప్లానెట్కి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మీన్స్ ఉపగ్రహాలు ఎక్కువ దేనికి నేను అడిగాడు. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఏమి వచ్చి లైక్ జూపిటర్, నెప్ట్యూన్, ఎర్త్ అండ్ సాటర్న్. సో వీ నో ఎర్త్ హ్యాస్ ఓన్లీ వన్ మూన్, ఓకే, అండ్ జూపిటర్ హ్యాస్ 67 moons. But see friends, Neptune has we have see like 146. Neptune has around some 23 moons, but Saturn has 146 moons. So 146 moons for Saturn. So Saturn is the answer for this one. So Saturn is the planet which has the largest number of satellites or moons. Okay. Next question, if you see, which of the following planets is called blue planet? See, blue planet and then ante Venus, Earth, Uranus, Mercury. So these are the options. In this, Earth is the answer. So because Earth's surface has the abundant quantity of water on its surface, so it is visible from the space as blue. So it's called a blue planet. Okay. We see the next question. The approximate diameter of the Earth. Approximate diameter of Earth. See friends, Earth's diameter is 12,756 kilometers. 12,756 kilometers. So which is the nearest to this one? Yes, 12,800 is the answer. So the approximate of Earth is 12,800 kilometers. Okay. See the next question. The Earth rotates around its axis from. Earth rotates around its axis from. See, I already discussed in the previous session. So Earth is rotates from west to east. West to east. Not only Earth, all other planets except Venus and Uranus. Except these two, Venus and Uranus only rotates from east to west, but remaining all are rotates in the west to east. So answer is west to east. See the next question. So in this, what is the time taken by the Earth to complete one rotation? See, one rotation is 23 hours 52 minutes 4 seconds, or 23 hours 56 minutes 4 seconds, 24 hours and 12 minutes 6 seconds. So in this is, so option B is correct, which is 23 hours 56 minutes 4 seconds is the time taken by the Earth to rotate from or about its axis. Okay. See the next question. So which of the following is the nearest star of Earth? See, nearest star of Earth. So here the options given is Sirius, Sun, Rigel and Vega. See friends, Sirius is a star, Sun also star, Rigel, so there are stars is given which is the nearest. In this, Sun is the nearest. We know the distance between Earth and Sun is called one astronomical unit, that is 1 AU. But the distance between Earth and the Sirius, the star Sirius, is, it's a thousands of astronomical unit. That means, so nearest star is the Sun only. So option B is correct. Next question, if you see, which one of the following planets is the brightest? So brightest planet and then Mars, Mercury, Venus and Jupiter. So answer is C, that is the Venus. So Venus is the brightest because of it has a thick layer of atmosphere. Due to this, what are the sun rays which are falling onto this atmosphere will be reflected back. Most of the sun rays will be reflected back. That is the way it is glowing. So that is called brightest. And see the next question. There is the mean radius of the Earth. See friends, earlier I told like that Earth diameter is 12,756 kilometers. Let's say around it is 12,800 kilometers. So this is the diameter. If you divide by 2, you will get radius. That is 6,400 kilometers. 6,400 kilometers. So option B is the correct answer. And see the next question. So which one of the following planets rotates clockwise? See friends, as I told earlier, if you take any planet which moves from west, rotates from west to east. If you consider, if you viewing from it from north, if you viewing it from the north, you will see west to east means it is a anti-clockwise direction. This is called anti-clockwise direction. That means almost all planets will have a rotation of anti-clockwise direction except Venus and Uranus. So these have east to west rotation, that is called a clockwise rotation. So the question is, which one of the following planets has the rotates clockwise? Means Venus and Uranus. So Venus and Uranus. So Venus is there. So option is Venus. That option C is correct. And see the next question. The nuclear fuel in the sun is dash. See friends, we know sun's core has, that is nuclear fusion reaction. Nuclear fusion reaction. So in this hydrogen is converted into helium. So hydrogen is the nuclear fuel. So option B is the correct. And next question, if you see the outermost layer of the sun is called. See friends, sun has the main three layers, the core, radiative and convective zones, and over that photosphere, and there will be chromosphere, and there will be a corona. So there will be corona. So corona is the outermost layer. Corona is the outermost. So D is the correct answer. And see the next question, the surface temperature of the sun is nearly dash. See, surface temperature of the sun is nearly, it is 6000 kelvins. So option C is the correct. And what is meant by the term midnight sun? See friends, midnight sun is nothing but if you see in the local times, even at the midnight time also, if the sun is there, then it is called a midnight sun, which occurs mostly in the polar regions, that is sun shining in the polar circle for a long time. So that is called midnight sun. So option D is correct. And see the next question. So which of the following planets is known as, which of the following planets is known as the red planet? See friends, we already discussed about this one. Red planet is nothing but it is simply Mars. Why? Because Mars has ample enough amount of iron mineral deposits over there. Iron mineral deposits over the surface of the Mars. So due to this, it will become like a red planet, like it will be visible like a red, so it's called a red planet. And if you see the next question, so the planet whose period of rotation, that means the rotation about its axis is longer than the period of revolution, that means around the sun, means which planet has, that is lesser time of rotation compared to its revolution. చూస్తే ఇక్కడ మీరు చూడండి, less period of revolution దేనికి ఉంటుందంటే, like if you see Mercury, Mars, Venus and Neptune, so these are the options given. So in this if you see Venus, so Venus rotation time చూస్తే, rotation అంటే అబౌట్ ఇట్స్ యాక్సిస్ అనేది రొటేట్ ఎంత అవుతుంది, 224 డేస్లో రొటేట్ అవుతుందండి. సారీ 244 డేస్లో రొటేట్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ రెవల్యూషన్ చూస్తే, రెవల్యూషన్ నథింగ్ బట్ అరౌండ్ ద సన్, ఇట్ మూవ్స్ అరౌండ్ ద సన్ in 224 days. That means here the revolution is less than the rotation. So Venus is the correct answer. Okay, see the next question. So the last stage in the life cycle of the star is dash. See, last stage in the life cycle of star is dash means it is a white dwarf. It is called a white dwarf. It is a white dwarf. Okay, time taken by, next question, if you see the time taken by the sun's light to reach the earth, is dash, which is generally like the time taken of the sunrise to reach the earth is 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. So here the answer is A. 8 minutes and 18 seconds is given, so which is nearby, so which is the correct option. And next question, if you see the time taken by moon's light to reach the earth, is 1.34 seconds. So here the option B is correct. And see the next question. The space between earth and moon, is called space between earth and moon is cislunar. So option A is correct. Next question, our solar system is located in which galaxy? Yes, it is known, simply it is the Milky Way galaxy, is called Akashganga in our India. And next question, which of the following stars is also known as pulsar? See, pulsar and weight antamante manaki neutron stars unnai kada, neutron stars mani ante pulsar antam. So option C anedi correct answer aitundi ikkada. Okay, so if you see the next question, so which of the following stars is known as fossil star? Okay, చూడండి, fossil star అని దేన్ని అంటే మనం దీంట్లో, సో వైట్ డార్క్ ని మనం fossil star అంటే, వైట్ డార్క్ is the last stage of the sun cycle అండి. Okay, and next question, if you see the energy of the sun is produced by, we know it is a nuclear fusion in which hydrogen is converted into helium. Okay, see the next question. So which of the following does not belong to the solar system? Asteroids, comets, planets and nebulae. See, asteroids related to solar system, comets are related to solar system, planets are the solar system, nebulae, which is the outer space element, is the outer space it is. Okay na? So nebulae is the simply is the interstellar cloud of dust which is in the outer space. So option D is the correct answer. And see the next question, which one of the following planets is the nearest to Earth? See, nearest to Earth, actually we know Earth is in between Venus and Mars. And if you see the distance wise, the Venus is nearer compared to the Mars. So Venus is the correct option. That means B is the correct option. And the cycle of sunspots. See, cycle of sunspots is nothing but over the sun's surface there will be some spots like dark spots will be visible there. So these spots, number of spots will be varied, but the cycle time of each spot if you see, so cycle time of a spot if you see, so that is equal to around 11 years. So option C is the correct answer. And next question, if you see, the group of small pieces of rocks revolving around the sun between orbits of Mars and Jupiter, so which is called asteroids. We already discussed about this. This is called asteroids. When these asteroids have broken, then there will be called there will be some meteorites, and the meteorites will fall from the space and will enter into the atmosphere. So those are meteors, and which reaches where it reaches, that is there will be a formation of comet. A comet is nothing but from the surface of that rocky object. So there is some vaporization takes place because of nature of like either powdery material on the rocky surface or due to that icy particles. So that will form as a tail. So that is called a comet. Okay, for this 38 question the answer is D. And if you see the next question, so which of the following conditions is most relevant for the presence of life on the Mars? Yes, Mars పైన లైఫ్ ఉందని చెప్పడానికి గల కారణాలు ఏమంటే మనం చూస్తుంది అట్మాస్ఫియర్ కాంపోజిషన్, ఇది కాదండి, థర్మల్ కండిషన్స్ కాదు, అకరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఐస్ క్యాప్ అండ్ ఫ్రోజన్ వాటర్, అకరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఓజోన్ కూడా కాదండి, ఎందుకంటే ఓజోన్ లైఫ్ ఫామ్ కాదు. సో మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఏంటంటే ఆప్షన్ సి, దట్ ఈస్ అకరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఐస్ క్యాప్స్ అండ్ ఫ్రోజన్ వాటర్ ఉంది కనుక సో దెర్ ఈస్ ఛాన్స్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. సో 13th question option is C. And see the next question. So among the following, which planet takes maximum time for one revolution around the sun? So maximum time for one revolution around the sun, if you see one revolution maximum time will take by Earth, Mars and Venus. See friends, generally planet Neptune takes longer time for revolution because which is the farthest from the sun, but here the options given is Earth, Jupiter, Mars and Venus. So if you see whichever the farthest from the sun, Jupiter is the farthest, so Jupiter has the longest time of revolution in this. So B option is correct. And see the next question, which planet is called evening star? See friends, we already discussed about the evening star, like brightest star and morning star, that is the Venus ని మనం ఈవినింగ్ స్టార్, మార్నింగ్ స్టార్ ఎందుకంటామంటే which can be seen just before that is before the sunset and after the sunrise. So there is called after sunrise మనం చూడొచ్చు కదా, ఏం చేస్తారు, at the time of sunrise that is called morning star, and before time of sunset it is called evening star. అందుకే మనం వీనస్ ని అంటాం, ఈవినింగ్ స్టార్ అని అంటాం. Okay, see the next question. The earth distance becomes minimum from the sun. See, earth distance become minimum from the sun means minimum called it is a perihelion, and maximum distance is called as ephelion. See friends, that perihelion like it's say around 147 million kilometers, and ephelion is 152.1 million kilometers. Okay, and the perihelion will happen on 3rd January, and ephelion will form on 4th July. So 3rd January is the minimum distance from the sun. So option A is correct. And see the next question, which planet is surrounded by rings? See, Saturn, Mars, Venus, Earth. So in this only Saturn has the rings around it. Okay, option A is correct. Next one is lunar eclipse occurs. Lunar eclipse nothing but, so there is a sun and there is a moon, and in between if Earth comes, this is the moon, and if between Earth comes the sun rays directly will not fall onto the moon. So that means the shadow of the Earth will be formed over the moon, that is called lunar eclipse. That means when earth lies between the sun and moon, that is the position of lunar eclipse. So 44th answer is B. Okay, next see, by how much degree the earth is inclined to its own axis. See friends, this is the earth, so we know earth axis is tilted from, if you see the normal, this angle is 23.5 degrees, 23.5 degrees. So option A is correct. And see the next question, the planet Pluto has been abandoned from the group of conventional planet and kept in the group of dwarf planets by summit held in dash. See, which was held in 2006, and it was in 2006, in which place it is, which is in Prague. Okay, see the next question, which of the following elements occurs most abundantly in our universe? Most abundant in our universe is, see, most of the planets like Jupiter and everything, if you see, like most of the planets and most of the solar system objects has hydrogen. Hydrogen is the maximum in composition matter, so hydrogen is the most abundantly occurring element in the universe. Okay, you see the next question, the two planets which have no satellites. See, ఏ ప్లానెట్స్కి ఎటువంటి లైక్ ఉపగ్రహాలు ఏమని చెప్పారంటే మనకు తెలుసు అది మెర్క్యూరీ అండ్ వీనస్. సో మెర్క్యూరీ అండ్ వీనస్ ఎక్కడ మనకి ఆప్షన్ బి ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. సి ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ది ఆస్ట్రోనాట్ లుక్స్ ద స్కై ఇన్ స్పేస్. దట్ మీన్స్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆస్ట్రోనాట్స్ స్కై, మనకి స్కైలో మీన్స్ ఓకే, ఆస్ట్రోనాట్స్ అంటే స్పేస్లో స్కైని ఎట్లా చూస్తున్నాడు ఇక్కడ. నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి, మనకి స్పేస్లో మనకి ఎటువంటి అట్మాస్ఫియర్ ఉండదు కనుక, సో సన్ రేస్ అనేది రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవ్వడానికి ఛాన్స్ అనేది లేదు కదా. సో అందువల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, సో కంప్లీట్ స్పేస్ మనకి ఎలా కనిపిస్తుంది, కంప్లీట్ ఇన్ డార్క్, దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ బ్లాక్ కలర్. సో ఆప్షన్ బి ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్, దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ బ్లాక్ కలర్. సో దట్ మీన్స్ ద ఆస్ట్రోనాట్ లుక్స్ ద స్కై ఇన్ బ్లాక్ కలర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ ద బ్లాక్ part of moon is always calm and dark, which is called. See friends, we know the moon, take the moon, half of the part of the moon only we are able to see all the time because of its both revolutional and rotational time, that is around 27 days. So that is why only half of the part of the moon only we are able to see. So other half is we are completely hidden it is. So in that part actually there is a place that is called as Tranquillitatis basin. So because of this, actually this patch will be visible like sometimes as a blue color, and it is like a lunar mare. It is a lunar mare. So due to this part, that the black part of the moon is always calm and with dark, that is called simply is called a sea of tranquility. Okay friends, so this is the first session on the MCQs of geography. We will see in the next part. Thank you.